Thank you for joining us to meet a GOED member today, where we introduce you to the entire omega-3 universe, one member at a time. Today's member will be N3 Oceanic, the maker of ResQ products, who will be represented by one of its co-owners, Tracy Shields. Tracy, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
I'm so glad. And let's start by asking, what is it that you would like the membership to know generally about your company, about ResQ products?
Well, first of all, I love being a member of GOED. We all love being a member of GOED. Our company is family owned and operated. My father started this business over 30 years ago. We're based near Philadelphia, but our market is all over the United States and Canada and a few other international companies. And of course, what we're known for is we're a heart-healthy company. That's how we started out. We actually started out with 4 products to help people with heart disease. So what we're known for is our super high-quality omega-3 EPA and DHA products. One more quick thing, if I have the time. I want to encourage your members to reach out to us because we are a little bit different, because we're a marketing direct distributor company. We're always looking to make new relationships, form new relationships with suppliers and raw ingredients people, and we love being part of the community and getting to know everybody.
Oh, wonderful. I hope that we can do whatever we can to facilitate that kind of connection making. And, as you've talked with different kinds of suppliers and omega-3 members throughout the years, and, as that informs your perspective and you look to the future, what do you think the greatest challenge for the whole industry would be going forward?
Coming from a direct distributor perspective, we worry certainly about the saturation in the marketplace with excessive amounts of omega-3 companies, coming onto the market, starting up. The cheaper brands, outbidding the better quality brands, and the information, how we get our information out to the customer about, what exactly omega-3s can do for you, the benefits, and the difference between high quality versus, the lower quality, poorer brands. We certainly worry about FDA compliance and all of the new regulations that are cropping up, especially in my country, which is the United States. We are always on the brink of wondering if some new regulation is going to come up that's going to just, change the face of our industry forever. I'm sure everybody's kind of worried about that. And we're also worried about the companies that don't follow FDA regulations and make it kind of, a little bit more difficult for those of us that really do try to follow and stay by the book. So overall, there are a lot of challenges in our industry, but I am a very optimistic person, and the company itself is a very optimistic company, and we feel as though we can tackle these challenges, and there's no way in which we can't overcome them. So I'm very positive about our industry. I hope that answers the question.
It does, and your optimism is infectious. I'm sure we can work through the worst of it.
So.
If you could play along with this for a second, if you had to choose a celebrity to represent ResQ's special quality or kind of unique characteristics, what would you choose? Who would you choose, and why?
Well, this is kind of a goofy answer, but I'm gonna put it out there. I mean, we are from Philadelphia after all, so I'm gonna have to say Rocky. And for all of our international members that don't know Rocky Balboa, the movie about the boxer who started from nothing, and he was this scrappy kind of character, but he had heart and he had spirit, and he wanted to win, and he wanted to, and he was willing to go at any cost, and he was willing to do anything at any cost to be a winner, and if anybody knows the history of our company, which locally a lot of people do. My father started this company not far from the Rocky Balboa kind of, Philadelphia row house kind of scenario. He didn't have a lot to start this company with, but he was scrappy, he was determined, he was creative, he was, I'm going to mispronounce this word, entrepreneurial, and he was determined. And I think that all of those qualities went into our character as a company, and they've kind of remained there. I wonder if I'm going to have to reach out to him and ask him if he could be our sponsor now.
Well, sincerely, good luck with that. And thank you so much for joining us today. I'll make sure that as many members as would like to know how to get in touch with you directly.
Thank you.